Hello children, welcome you all to the English class of Shri Baswa Public School. Today in this video I am going to start another poem from your textbook Honeycomb. So take the textbook in your hand as well as pencil for noting down the keywords and notes. So let's move for the next page. The poem which I am going to start in this video is called as The Rebel. Yes children, the poem name is The Rebel, which has been written by the poet D.J. Enright. Before going to the information of D.J. Enright or poet, let's talk about what is rebel or who is rebel. Children, this words defines lot of about a personality or else behavior, how the person behaves here, who is rebel. The meaning of the rebel is a person who rises in opposition or armed resistance against an establishment, government, leader, or any authority. Authority words refers to the leader or who has the power to lead you or lead a person. With that person who has the power, who set up some rules, those rules will be always opposed by the rebel character. Yes children, this is the meaning of the rebel or as well as the which defines the character of rebel. In these pictures which I have collected here, you can see are these pictures are describing completely about the rebel. He will be always opposing some rules and regulation, and he will be always going to the other direction. Who if if a group is going to the direction of right, or if they are going for some same way or they are following their leader, then this character will be going to the other path. Yes, he will never follow the leader, he will never ever listen the words of the authoritative people. Now, one word to describe this rebel, that is non-conformist or non-follower. As I said you, he will be never following the rules or which has been set up by the government or else any authority or else any group. Next, what are the qualities of rebel? He who doesn't follow any rules. Yes, as I said you, the rebel never follows the rules, any rules. And second one is one who hates authoritative figures, not only following the rules of government or leader or a group, he hates those powerful figures also, who has the power to lead somebody or who has the power to overrule somebody. He hates them or she hates them, that character hates them here. Third one is one who loves to follow the different path. Yes, the rebel will be always love to follow the different path. He never follow others, he will be always finding the other ways to go. Yes, or find something new. These are the qualities of rebel. Now, the poet. The poet name is D.J. Enright, and he was born on 11th March 1920 in Royal Leamington Spa, United Kingdom, and he died on 31st December 2002 in the London. And he was all very famous for his writing. He was writing many of the poems, and he has written novels also, and he was worked as critic also. And the last one is he has written many of the books which has been referred to the children's story books, which is very interesting here about him. This is the brief information of D.J. Enright, the poet of the poem. this video is the first part of this poem. Now let's move for the reading of the stanzas. Children, as you can see in your poem, the poem has been not divided into stanza, but in this video I have divided that poem into stanzas. So I'll read out first all four stanzas, then I'll explain the each line. Listen carefully. When everybody has short hairs, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need of rain. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody stays at home and read a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. When everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. When everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. It is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. This is the complete poem which I have divided into four stanzas, but it is not like that in your textbook. You just listen it very carefully. Now I'll start the explanation of the stanzas, each stanzas. In the first line, here, the rebel, when everybody has short hairs, the rebel lets his hair grow long. Yes, children, this complete poem is all about a character rebel who is young. Yeah, who is a young character who is a rebel here. And now that rebel, when his classmates, you can imagine as a classmates or in the house or a surrounding of him, when everybody was having the short hairs, then what he will do, as I said, you opposed, always opposing, always doing the different from others. So he will let his hair long. When everybody cuts the hair, then what he will do, he will live his when everybody was having the long hairs, then he will cut his hairs. Next, when everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. Children, when he sits in the class to listen the explanation, to listen the class, to enjoy or to learn the subjects, when everybody was talking in the classroom, then what this rebel does here? He will sit quietly. He doesn't speak a single word also. Then, when nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. When everybody was quite silent, when everybody was not speaking, then what he does here? He disturbs the class. Next, when everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. Children, when everybody was wearing the uniform and coming to the school or going to the school, then what he does here? He doesn't wear the uniform. Yes, he goes as if he was going for attending a party or a marriage function. In that fantastic clothes he will wear and he will go. Yeah. And when everybody was wearing fantastic clothes, then he wears soberly. He dresses himself as a sober person. Very serious, very dull kind of dresses. When everybody was very attractive, then he will be unattractive person in the class. Next, in the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. Yes, children, when everybody was talking about the dog, yeah, I like dog, she likes dog. When everybody was talking or discussing about the love towards the dog, then what he will do, he will put his comment, he will give his words in the preference of the in liking of the cats. He loves that time cats. When everybody was talking about the cat, then he will put his good words for the dogs. This is the character of rebel. Next, when everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need of rain. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of the sun. Yes, children, when everybody was discussing and praising of the sun, then he will be missing, remarking on the rain, need of the rain, lack of the rain. When everybody was greeting, or when everybody was praising, or when everybody was wishing, liking the rain, then he will be regretting the absence of sun. When everybody who goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody was going for work, then he will be staying at home and doing nothing and reading the book. When everybody stays at home and read a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. Yes, children, when everybody stays at home, then what he'll do? He will be going for work. Always doing the work which has been not done by others. Next, when everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. Yes, in the way of speaking also, in the way of expressing also, he has the different opinion. When everybody was saying the word yes please, then what he will do? He will do here no thank you. Then when everybody starts saying no thank you, then he will be saying the word yes please. Now, last two lines, very important. It is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. Yes, at some point of time, rebel characters are needed in the world. Changes which come in the life, it is only possible with the help of the rebels. And it is good sometime, but as we know that it is good sometime, but it is very hard to be with them. It is very difficult, or else it may be not find good to be with those kind of persons. This is the complete explanation of the poem. I hope children you have understood it. Here are the some new words, glossary part, which I have listed out in this slide. You can take the screenshot also. And now, thank you for watching the video. I hope, once again, I am hoping that you have understood it. If you have any doubts, you can send me a message, or else you can call me. I will clear your doubt. Thank you so much, children, for watching the video.